Imagine standing in front of an SUV that looks like it was designed to challenge mountains rather than city streets. That's the 2026 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, a machine that stays true to its raw, no-nonsense DNA while quietly evolving to meet modern expectations. From the very first glance, the Wrangler Rubicon doesn't try to be subtle. The boxy silhouette, upright windshield, and exposed hinges instantly tell you this is a real off-road vehicle, not an SUV pretending to be one. The iconic 7-slot grille sits proudly at the front, flanked by round headlights that balance heritage with modern LED technology, giving it a rugged yet unmistakably Jeep face. Move around the exterior, and the Rubicon's purpose becomes even clearer. The wide fender flares aren't just for looks. They're there to accommodate aggressive all-terrain tires, designed to claw through mud, rocks, sand, and snow. The higher ride height and short overhangs improve approach, breakover, and departure angles, which in simple terms means you're far less likely to scrape the front or rear when climbing steep obstacles. Heavy-duty steel bumpers, often with integrated tow hooks and winch capability, underline the Rubicon's readiness for serious trail work straight from the factory. Even details like the removable doors, fold-down windshield, and detachable roof panels remind you that this SUV is about freedom and adventure, not just transportation. Underneath the tough exterior is where the Rubicon truly earns its reputation. This isn't a soft roader with cosmetic upgrades. It's built on a solid foundation with heavy-duty axles, advanced four-wheel drive hardware, and locking differentials. The Rubicon's specialized 4x4 system allows power to be distributed evenly to all four wheels when traction gets tricky. Locking differentials mean that even if one wheel is off the ground or slipping on a rock, the other wheels keep pushing you forward. Add in an electronic sway bar disconnect, and the suspension gains extra articulation, letting the wheels move more freely over uneven terrain. For hardcore off-roaders, these features are gold, but even casual adventurers will appreciate how confident and unstoppable the Rubicon feels once the pavement ends. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Wrangler Rubicon balances brute strength with modern efficiency. Depending on the configuration, buyers can expect strong engines designed to deliver high torque at low speeds, which is exactly what you want when crawling over rocks or powering through deep mud. There's also continued focus on electrified options, like the plug-in hybrid setup, offering instant torque for off-road control, while also reducing fuel consumption during daily driving. On the road, the Rubicon feels more refined than older generations, with improved steering response and better noise insulation, though it never forgets its rugged roots. You still feel connected to the road, and that's part of the charm for Wrangler fans. Step inside, and the interior tells a story of evolution without losing character. The cabin is far more comfortable and tech-focused than you might expect from such a hardcore SUV. Durable materials dominate the surfaces, designed to handle dirt, water, and wear, but they're combined with thoughtful touches that make long drives easier. The seats are supportive and built to hold you in place when the trail gets rough, while still being comfortable enough for everyday commuting. Visibility is excellent thanks to the upright seating position and large windows, giving the driver a commanding view of both traffic and terrain. Front and center on the dashboard is a modern infotainment system with a large touchscreen that supports smartphone connectivity, navigation, and off-road specific displays. These screens can show real-time information like pitch, roll, and drivetrain status, which is incredibly useful when tackling challenging trails. Physical buttons and knobs are still present for key functions, a welcome choice for drivers who don't want to fumble through menus while wearing gloves or bouncing over rocks. The interior also offers smart storage solutions, removable components for easy cleaning, and thoughtful details that reflect Jeep's understanding of how owners actually use these vehicles. Safety and driver assistance features have also been upgraded for 2026, making the Rubicon more approachable for everyday use. Advanced systems help with highway driving, parking, and collision awareness, proving that even a trail-focused SUV can deliver modern peace of mind. At the same time, Jeep hasn't compromised the Rubicon's core mission. This is still a vehicle you can confidently take far away from paved roads, knowing it was engineered for exactly that purpose. What truly sets the 2026 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon apart is its authenticity. Many SUVs talk about adventure, but the Rubicon lives it. It offers factory-backed off-road hardware that enthusiasts usually have to install themselves, all while remaining street-legal, comfortable, and packed with technology. Whether you're crawling over rocky trails, cruising through city traffic, or heading out on a cross-country road trip, the Rubicon adapts to the task without losing its soul. It's not just an SUV. It's a statement of capability, freedom, and rugged individuality, built for drivers who want to go where roads end and stories begin.